everybody. Hi. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different with my channel. This is Chanel. She is my French bulldog who is very hyper at the moment. Extremely hyper at the moment. I never let her upstairs for the fear that she might find something edible in my makeup room and eat it. Allowed up here, but this is her first time because she's going to be helping me pick out my makeup. Okay. That's enough of that. Okay, so I saw this idea watching Nikki Tutorials. She said that she got the idea from some other YouTubers, but I saw her video and I was like, I have to do this. My dog is very, very high strung, as you can see, and extremely hyper. But I'm gonna have her pick out some of my makeup and see how that goes. Yeah, so I thought what better way to start than with primers. I have 3 primers I'm gonna have Chanel choose from. She's really excited for this. Are you excited? She's really excited for this, y'all. Like super excited. Put down these 3 primers down on the floor. One is from Urban Decay, one is from Lorac, and one is from Smashbox. And I'm gonna have, okay, so that one's Smashbox. You can barely see it on this rug. This one's Lorac. Okay, she likes Lorac. She really likes Lorac. She actually put it in her mouth. Get it out of your mouth, please. This one is the Urban Decay. She's really into this Lorac one, so I think we're gonna go ahead and use this one. Okay, y'all, so my dog would not put this Lorac primer. This is a Light Source Illuminating Primer. I don't use this one too much. I mainly use my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer, so this should be fun. The foundation I typically use is already illuminating and a little bit dewy, so I don't need this, but because we're gonna have some extra shine today, which is okay. Okay, so I just put on my Lorac Light Source 3-in-1 Illuminating Primer on that my little French bulldog picked out for me. And I'm afraid she's gonna pee on my carpet anytime soon, but hopefully she doesn't. So now we're gonna go ahead and have her pick out my foundation. My favorite that I've been using is the Studio Sculpt SPF 15 by MAC. This one's a little bit dewy, it has a nice shine to it. It's really good for your skin. I like how this feels. Then we have the Clinique Beyond Perfecting. This one I don't care too much for. I mainly use it when I need a quick foundation, something cheap. This isn't my favorite foundation. And then the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complex Cream. This is my absolute favorite. It's a little bit off my skin tone, so that's why I've been using the MAC one so much. And it's very full coverage. Probably my top favorite. I need you to pick a foundation. Okay, I think she had... You like the MAC one? Okay, don't eat it. Okay, so that was actually really easy. She really likes anything in a tube form, so as long as I pick my favorite tubed form products, I should be okay with this challenge. Go ahead and get my beauty blender and apply this. No. Guys, y'all... How do you say no to your dog? I'm like trying to blend my foundation in and she's staring at me and she's so cute. She is, come on, come here, baby. Oh no, French bulldogs, and if you have one, you totally understand what I'm talking about right now. What are you eating? Oh my God, she got a hold of the Smashbox. French bulldogs have their own personality. They don't care what you say. They don't listen. They're very extremely stubborn. So we're gonna go ahead and move into brows. I'm not gonna have her pick my brows because I only have 2 products and I need both of them. So now I'm using the Eyebrow Style Crayon Sorcel. I think it says. I don't know. It's I think one of the only eyebrow pencils that MAC carries. So I'm gonna go ahead and outline my brows with this. Okay guys, so I just went in with my brow pencil from MAC and then my Benefits number 4 Ka-Brow. I'm gonna conceal them. Obviously they look like a hot mess. It's whatever. But I'm gonna have Chanel, who is eagerly waiting to pick out my concealer. I have her pick between my NARS concealer, which I have in medium 1 custard. This is absolutely hands down my favorite top concealer at the moment. I also am going to have her pick between that and the Shape Tape in light medium. This is my second one. This was my first, and then I got NARS, and then now this is my first. This is just like a mini sample. The bigger one has a lot more product than this. I just like the coverage this has, but they're both really great products. And then my least favorite is going to be the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Okay, so those are my 3 concealers, and I'm gonna drop her and have her pick. Okay, so she obviously, okay, no, she picked my favorite. You are such a good dog. She went and carried it in her mouth like she does with everything. So we're gonna go ahead and use NARS. Guys, for a second there, I really thought she was going to pick the Fenty Beauty one because she was scratching at it, but she carried this one away with her mouth. So I'm going to assume that this is the winning concealer. And my favorite concealer. Funny how that works. Just line the outside of my brows and then highlight under my eyes with this concealer real quick. Just pull it right under my eyes. Like I said, this is a mini one, so it's harder to get the product out because I just have a sample. Why buy the actual one when you get a sample, you know? Go ahead and get a concealer brush and kind of sculpt my eyebrows out before I go ahead and blend this into my skin. You want to come up here? You want to come with mama and shed all over me? Just blend. She gets really excited to be on camera. You excited to be on camera, baby? Okay. What are you eating? Say she gets into everything. Like this, after this, you gotta go, girl. You gotta go. I've had to get 3 things out of her mouth in this whole entire video. Like, it's ridiculous. Blend this. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to go ahead and start with some eyeshadow. I'm going to have Chanel pick my eyeshadows. So let me see what couple palettes I'm going to have her pick from. The Lorac Desert Sunset, the Anastasia Sculpture and Modern Renaissance, and then Huda Beauty along with Urban Decay, Born to Run, and then Kat Von D. Okay, she immediately went to Modern Renaissance. I'm going to let her sniff around. I think she's going for Modern. Okay, so Chanel picked the Modern Renaissance palette, which is one of my favorite palettes. I bought 2 of these, so this is actually my newer one, which is good because now it looks really pretty for the camera. I'm gonna go in first is Tempera, I believe it's called. This really pretty shimmery one right here, and I'm gonna put it basically all over my eyelid. I feel like she likes makeup just as much as I do, only because she's picked out literally all of my favorite what? I'm talking about you. All of my favorite palettes, all my favorite concealers, like she just picked my top favorite. So I feel like either she really knows me or she knows what good makeup is. Okay, so then I'm gonna go take a little fluffy brush like this, and then I'm gonna go and put Burnt Orange into my crease as my transition shade. So I'm just lightly brushing this into the crease as my transition shade. My dog really wants to be in my lap right now. This is probably the difficultest makeup tutorial I've ever done because of the distraction. Like, she is a distraction right now. Okay, so now that we have a really pretty transition shade going on, I'm going to take the same brush and go ahead and apply Burnt Orange right into this crease area and kind of make it more deep of a color. Okay, so now taking more of a compact brush, I'm going to go ahead and add in, let's see, we already did Burnt Orange, and then we put Real Gar, I don't know, into our crease. So we're going to go ahead and tap in Love Letter So this one right here. And then put it like right here. I don't know, the end of my eye, I guess you could say. But right here. And pull it into that crease area. Okay, so I have that tapped in. I'm going to go ahead and take that fluffy brush that we were using before and kind of blend it in a little bit more. I kind of just pressed it on the eyelid to get the pigment there. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that in. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take one of my concealer brushes and make a little bit of a cut crease. And I'm going to actually use the Shape Tape for this. No reason, I just prefer using this one for my cut crease. Okay, so now that I have my cut crease done, I'm going to go ahead and add tempera to that cut crease to kind of set it. I'm going to mix tempera with Primavera, I think it's called. So I'm going to take this one right here and then mix it with tempera and then put that on where my cut crease is. So now that I have that done, I'm going to take that same fluffy brush and then just kind of blend where that creases and kind of just blend it all in. I'm going to tap a little bit back into Realgar, that really pretty orange color, and just put a little bit of color right back in here. Okay, so now that's done, I'm going to actually take that really pretty love letter and I'm going to put it on the bottom of my eyelid. I finished with my cut crease and I'm going to go ahead and take Stila, and this is Kitten Karma, and I'm just going to apply it to the outer corners of my eye. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and eyeliner my eyes and make a little bit of a wing using my Tartelette eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm not really big on what kind of mascara I use. I use just about any of them because they're going to be covered up with fake eyelashes anyway. So, okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply my Eylure eyelashes. Ooh! Okay, so now that I have my eyelashes on, I like to take an eyelash crimper and just crimp them. Make sure they're... I feel like it like squeezes in really down to my eyelashes. Okay, you guys, so my eyelashes are on, and I'm going to go ahead and let her pick out my blush and my contour. So we have the Blush Bar by Benefit. We also have NARS, and then we have our Huda Beauty. Which one is it? You're not going to help me, are you? You want Huda? Okay, yeah, let's go with that one. That one sounds good. She is crazy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take one of my powder brushes and dip it into their bronzer right here. Okay, and now going in with my blush brush, I'm going to tap into their blush right here. Last but not least, I'm going to run my finger into that cream highlighter and put it right here on my cheekbones. Tap it right here on my nose bridge. and take my highlighter brush and dip it into that powder and make my highlight pop. Ooh. Okay, y'all, so last but not least, I'm gonna have Chanel pick out my lipsticks. So we have my whole collection over here. I'll let her choose between Kat Von D, Kylie Jenner, Huda Beauty. These lipsticks, I'm gonna have her pick which one she likes. Okay. Chanel went and picked Lolita number 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. Alright, y'all, so we are completely done with this look thanks to my little Frenchie. She is a mess. This was the most difficult video I have ever filmed, ever. She was eating everything and wandering into places she shouldn't be wandering, but that's okay. I think this look came out really, really pretty, and I think she did an amazing job. You did so good picking out my colors. Yes. Yes. Eat my diamond earrings. Go ahead. It's okay. Go ahead. Happy. And I am like, this highlighter is giving me lots of life right now. But go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment. Go ahead and like for Chanel, because she's the prettiest toad looking dog. I think she looks like a toad. I don't know. That's just me. But thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and eat my fingers. Say bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.